guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. I've got Harry with me as well today, haven't we? Just for a bit while Meg's doing some jobs. Anyway, so I have a bit of footage that Gav, who works for Hoyles, who did our that did our drilling for us the other day. He went to Phillips and drilled, I think it was 18 acres of winter wheat. I wasn't about, so I didn't actually film it, but he's got a drone and he droned it for me. Well, not for me, but he droned it. Seen that he droned it, so I asked him if I could use it. So I'm going to put that bit in here first to show you that. And then since then, we have had a serious amount of rain. It has flooded, the whole village is flooded. It's quite common to flood in this village anyway, because we're right near a river. But yeah, a lot of it is under the water. We're going to go to the field that he drilled to have a look, which I imagine a lot of it will be under. And then the farm was also flooded, so I thought I'd show you where the farm's flooded over and that sort of thing. Ben and Alex have done a bit of vlogging sheep for me, so I'll put that in as well. But yeah, if you haven't done already, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's crack on with the video. Oh, actually, yeah, before we start, so today is the day I'm going to post this video, which is the 17th of October, which is Ben's birthday. So we'll go and find Ben as well and say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Whoa, we're going to sing to him. It's Ben's birthday today and we're posting today, 17th of October. How old are you? 28. Getting old. Yeah, happy birthday, Ben. Oh, he's not going grey. Yeah. She not always had that?
Yeah, but it looks grey, doesn't it?
It's greying down.
Nearly ready for the dog. Is she still going?
Yeah.
Puppies soon after Dottie?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
If you're looking for a puppy, what, in 3 months?
Yeah, they're not long, are they,
Give
in
us a bell.
pup? Give us a bell. She'll end up having like one, she's tiny. They'll be scrapping over him. Oh, we've got a cow calf as well. We'll have to name it then. Hello lass, you alright? Good girl. You're a clever girlie. All them flies. Ugh. It's so humid, it's weird. Right, we're in the middle of October, nearly the end of October, and today it's actually really, really warm. But if I turn you around here, but you can't actually see through that little door, but that's actually that colour because that's all water. Good girl. That's a little baby like you, Harry. What's it doing? Is it licking it? Cows go moo. Not making noises yet, are you? And here we are. That's a lot of water. Obviously we are near the river, so the river backs up, which backs the dikes up, which then fills our track, and then it's also filled the field, which is not ideal. Shall we see how deep it is? I wonder if we can walk through it, Harry. I don't want to go in it. I was getting the horses in yesterday out the field across the road, and the water was literally above my wellies in some points. Yeah, Russell's showing us quite nicely how deep it is there. Don't go in the dike because the dogs actually love it. Look at this. Oh. Guys, you love the water. So Richard is just on with fixing, so the back, it'll be that one there with the case off. The wheel on, what am I trying to say? The wheel bearing's gone on one of these wheels on the trailer. So he's just pulling it forward a bit, lifting it up, taking the wheel off, taking it down to the barn and getting it fixed. That's it. Soppy dog.
Yep, got the right one.
Lucky. When you did dagging them sheep, did you take them to Dave's?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thought I could hear his voice. Alex sent me some videos. I've just been editing it, and I thought, oh, why have they just taken them?
Yeah, we took them to that.
That'd have been a lot easier.
Yeah, you were alright. We had all around pigs.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
What? And it's like his wiener building.
Everything. We set
Yeah?
off from little ones that had just been born right through to weanings, to dry ends and everything.
All right.
Yeah, he took us around everything, he did. Yeah, it'd be last Thursday we went.
Yeah, I haven't looked around there in ages.
That's quite good, really.
Yeah, I used to go quite a bit.
You don't realise what goes on there.
No, you don't, do you?
Quite a busy place, really.
Yeah. There's a lot of pigs on, Annie.
Yeah, heck of a lot. 3,000, you said?
3,000?
Yeah, we all littlins and all fatteners and
Whoa.
sows and everything. Oh, yeah, there's a fair
I didn't
lot.
realise it was that many.
Yeah, I think I'm sure he said that. Was it 3,000 a year, perhaps, that they fatten?
It's a lot, isn't it?
Oh, a heck of a lot, anyway.
Yeah. Harry. Ooh. Stuck on.
I thought Ben just said they pulled off.
Hmm. Oh, there. Looks like it's going to come, innit? That's it.
Yeah. Got
So what's gone in it?
these bearings, they're not running true.
Oh, right.
They're dead slow, the wheels, it's knackered the wheeling.
Oh, is it?
It's completely bald, the wheel.
Because it's
That's
just
a
dragging.
spare.
Oh, right.
It's been sticking that much, and you've got them, they're not quite true, they don't run right.
No.
We put a bit of oil in it just to keep it going. for
Right.
now. So yeah, we've got 2 new bearings to go in there now.
Alright.
Take it down to barn now and do it there.
Yeah. Should we go down to the barn? Brought that new carb one in to get a milk out of her. Not milking time or near milking time either. Oh, everyone's in here. So yeah, just so we can feed the calf so we're not leaving it too long. The cow is. Was the calf a boy?
I don't know.
I said we'll have to call it Ben.
Oh.
Ben or...
I was trying to get him to have a picture with it, but it's yellow.
Oh, it's cute still. She's gone straight to eat. Yeah, so it's about 11:30 now. So we've obviously finished milking and what have you, and we've packed up. So we thought we'd milk her now and then we can get that calf fed. It's a big calf as well, so it'll most likely want a good feed. So yeah, might as well bring it in now, get a bit of milk off her, and then she will come in again later on this afternoon around 3 and get milked again. Anyway, she's in the 14 and she's tucked straight into her food, which is perfect. Just what you want when they've just calved, get that belly going. So yeah, all things looking well. Oh, girly. You can see on her chin, but it was quite yellow, and on the video before of the calf, that was also yellow. They say that if the calf, well, they definitely say it with lambs as well, so if the animal is yellow when it comes out, it means that it's been the mum's been a bit stressed getting her out, or it's not come out as fast as you'd have hoped it would have. Pretty sure that's right. It might not be the case in you know, every time, but I just know that that can be the case. Right, we're going to give that calf its milk now. Did Ben not get a pic with it?
No. No, because it was yellow.
We were hoping Ben would get a picture with the calf because they share a birthday.
Andy carved it.
Oh, Andy carved it. Yeah, so what I was saying about the calf being yellow. One sec. Yeah, so I thought it was because like the cow's been on with it for a while, so it might be a little bit stressed, so therefore it goes yellow. And then Alex's mum is a midwife, and she was, well, I'll let Alex tell you because I can't really remember. Yeah, so Alex's mum's a midwife, so why does she say that it's yellow? Well, babies. Oh, hello.
Yeah, she just said in babies, when they get stressed during birth, they poop because of stress.
Yeah.
That's what the colour is.
So do they poop in the sack? And is that why they go yellow?
It's dangerous because if they like ingest it, then
All right.
like infection and stuff.
No way.
I think it's dangerous for the woman as well. I'm sure.
Yeah, I imagine it will be, yeah.
Yeah, so
Well, maybe you've pooped in your own sack.
I'm putting 2 and 2 together and saying that.
So, yeah, Alex's version is the human version.
Yes.
I haven't heard that one before, but hey,
No,
could be
Google
true.
it.
We'll Google it. But yeah, I've always heard that it's like they've been on with it a while, that's why they come out yellow.
Stressful time.
Yeah. But anyway, calf is up. It's a good calf, that, isn't it?
Yeah, really.
Is it a boy? No, it's a heifer.
No, little girl.
Well,
What can we...
then
Well, there's a plant called the Benjamina.
Benjamina then.
Benjamina. I do call Ben that sometimes.
Well, we've got a little Benjamina then. Right, Ross, we need to feed her. I don't know, I was thinking that. Belle, Bet. I don't know. If you think of any names that relate to Ben, but that are girly names, let us know in the comments. Right. Get a navel dip to make sure that no infection gets up there. That's what the iodine does.
Hey, up.
And it dries it all up and shrivels up. Come on now, good girl. She's an eager... Oh. That's going to be all over your hand now. And we're going out tomorrow night for Ben's birthday. So
That's definitely covered.
Alex is going to look bobby with
It's
that.
not as bad as I anticipated. Right.
Get some gloves on it. Makes it come off. There you are. Oh, we did actually have another one this morning, didn't we? Were you a little bit chilly?
Who's that off?
Uh,
Is it 974 or 957, something like that?
974. Yeah. Is it drinking? Ooh,
I think
yummy.
she's just a bit out of breath from trying to stand.
Yeah. We were just saying then how heifers are so much easier to deal with than the bull calves. But I think that's just life in general, isn't it, Alex?
It is.
Girls are so much easier.
Yeah.
You little trooper. It's a hell of a calf, that.
Hmm.
Beast.
Do find we do get some really good heifer calves.
Yeah.
Like they do sometimes turn out a lot better than the bulls.
Yeah. What bull's that off, do you know?
Hitman.
Hitman. We've had him a while,
You know
haven't we?
what? Yeah. All of these are Hitman apart from that fluffy one at the end.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They're all good size, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. You can tell the difference of the bulls.
Yeah.
Like that end one.
That one looks nothing like him, does it?
That's an improvement. And his calves are always dead like, they're like solid black and white, whereas these are a bit rony.
Rony, yeah.
His were always like dead defined patches.
Yeah.
Keep drinking.
So this was a few days ago now. Ben, Alex and Richard took the sheep that we've got down to my dad's cousin's, who's got a sheep, well, he's a sheep farmer and a pig farmer. But anyway, he's got a sheep handling system, which made this job a lot easier for them lot. So they're just dagging out all the tails basically, which means just what Ben's doing here, shearing them all out, just so the muck that collects there, flies lay their eggs and they end up getting maggots, which is just not what you want. So they dag them out like this to avoid that.
Maybe that's a good one then. Is that a void? Really easy.
A little bit easier. You go down the leg. Getting professional on it now.
Nice. It's good, does that?
Yep.
Alright.
Come on, look.
Come on.
Line up. Stop these, Alex. I'll push them.
Come on.
Alex, stop these. I'll push them.
Alright, sounds. Done?
Does it want? Should have done that really, shouldn't I?
Oh well.
Hopefully go in next week or two.
Kill them 4.
Oh, cheeky. Wiggle it.
You went down the tail first.
Yeah. Icy one.
You get fucking cutted up in this.
Yeah. Oh, I know.
Yeah, try and help me out with it.
Yeah. Oh, icy.
You done?
No, not quite. Anyone else fancying a go?
No, I think you're really good.
Still the same amount of teeth as
Go on.
Oh, hey, oh. Come on, guys. You bugger. Oh, get out. Escape, please. Come on. Yeah? Bye, sheeps. Ben. Back home.
Green pastures.
Right, we will fly to Phillips and have a look at these seeds, see if they've gone underwater or not, see what the crack is. Yeah. Well, it's not great, but it could be worse for the amount of water that we have at home. Like I say, it's not great. Guys, it's nearly milking time. These are the dry cows that I need to put away. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done already, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.